Hi, the pump you were just looking at is a mains powered 15 watt pump, but the question today is, can I run it on solar and will it be worth it? Answer to the first question is yes, it can be run via solar. Let's also have a look at will it be worth it. Here are the calculations for running a 15 watt pump via solar. There's the 15 watt pump. 1 kilowatt equals 1000 watts. Electricity is sold by the kilowatt hour. 1000 watts used for 1 hour. The cost for that is 30p per kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt divided by our 15 watt pump is roughly 66 hours. In other words, we can run our 15 watt pump for 66 hours and it will only use 1 kilowatt hour of electricity. In other words, 30p to run our 15 watt pump for 66 hours. I've done some price checking. These prices are approximate but close. A reasonable 50 watt solar panel is around £60. An inverter to change 12 volts to 240 volts mains is around £20. We're also going to need a charge controller. That's a tenner. Total cost £90 for the parts. £90 is also 9,000 pence. So if we divide that by a kilowatt hour cost, which is 30p, so 9,000 divided by 30 is 300. 300 multiplied by 66 hours is 19,800 hours. But if we only run the pump for 8 hours a day, that's going to give us 19,800 multiplied by 3. 8 hours in a day multiplied by 3. That comes to 59,400 hours. Taking our 59,400 hours, dividing that by 24 to find out how many days that is, that gives us 2,475 days. At 2,475 days divided by 365 to find out how many years that would be is 6.78 years. So the conclusion is, to run our 15 watt mains operated pump via solar, it's going to take us 6.78 years just to break even. So the question I have to ask is it really worth it for this case? Well, the answer has to be no. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You can also join me on Ko-fi.